In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build free websites using Google Sites. It's a straightforward process, perfect for those who are new to web design or looking to create a simple site without any cost. Google Sites is a fantastic tool because it integrates seamlessly with other Google services, allowing you to create a professional-looking website with ease. To get started, you'll want to navigate to Google Sites. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in sites.google.com. Make sure you're logged into your Google account so you can access all the features available to you. Once you're on the Google Sites homepage, you'll see an option to start a new site. Click on the Create button to begin. When you're creating a new site, you have the choice between starting with a blank site or selecting from a variety of templates. If you're new to this, templates can be a great way to get a head start because they offer pre-designed layouts that you can customize. Each template is designed for different types of content, so choose one that best fits the purpose of your website. If you prefer to build from scratch, you can choose the blank option, which gives you complete creative freedom. Once you've made your selection, you'll enter the site editor. This is where the fun begins. You can add text, images, and other elements to your website. Google Sites makes this easy with its drag and drop interface. You can click on the Insert tab to add various elements like text boxes, images, or even embed other Google services like Google Calendar or Google Maps. Don't forget to click on each element to customize it to suit your needs. You can change fonts, colors, and layout to match your brand or personal style. As you're editing, it's helpful to preview your site to see how it will look to your visitors. You can do this by clicking the Preview button at the top right of the screen. This will give you a glimpse of how your website looks on different devices, ensuring it's user-friendly on both desktop and mobile platforms. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks and functions, it's time to publish your site. Click the Publish button in the top right corner. You'll be prompted to choose a web address for your site, which will be a subdomain of sites.google.com. Make sure to choose something that represents your website's content well. After you've done that, your site will be live and accessible to the public. And there you have it. You've just created a free website using Google Sites. Remember, you can always go back and make changes or updates to your site as needed. Enjoy showcasing your creativity and reaching your audience online.